Welcome to John Deere Davenport Works. This 2.2 million square foot facility is larger than Grand Central Station, covering the equivalent of 37 football fields under one roof. In operation since 1974, Davenport Works manufactures 5 product lines for the construction and forestry industries: articulated dump trucks, 4-wheel drive loaders, motor graders, log skidders, and wheeled feller bunchers.
When we design new products, it's very exciting to see them come together for the first time as a completed machine.
We depend on our employees to give us their best every day, because our customers depend on the machines we build to produce every day.
The people that build these machines are definitely the heart and soul of the operation. They're here every day building quality product, and they're very focused on delivering that to the customer.
Quality is the primary driver of everything we do, with the ultimate goal of delivering defect-free equipment. It all starts with our product validation and verification process. Every prototype design is thoroughly tested in real-world conditions, so our engineers can make any necessary adjustments before production begins. Once a design is approved, steel cutting begins. We use laser cutting for steel up to 1/2 inch thick, plasma cutting for plates up to 1.5 inches, and oxy-fuel cutting for material up to 3.5 inches. Every day, we cut 500,000 pounds of plate steel. The cut steel parts are organized into kits, which advance to the machining and welding areas. Welding is performed by both highly trained welders and sophisticated robots. The robots can repeat precise welds that are physically difficult for human welders to do. In the machining area, we drill the holes required for assembly, plus turn, mill, and burnish them. These operations are performed by skilled workers with computer numerical control, or CNC machines. Like welding, painting is done by robots and by hand. Robots apply prime and finish coats on larger parts like buckets, bins, and frames, while paint technicians cover hard-to-reach areas. At the assembly stage, each machine has its own line on the plant floor. Frames, engines, cabs, and other components come together piece by piece. Because most machine orders are customized, workers follow detailed, individual instructions for each one.
So much of the work that they do is hands-on. It's not automated. The machines we build are customized, so it requires heavy training, heavy knowledge of the work that they do, and a constant focus on what they're doing to keep them safe and drive better quality.
The countless small parts needed for machine assembly are organized, housed, and distributed by way of our advanced material flow process. Fork trucks retrieve and deliver these parts from supermarkets located close to each line. To help ensure that the right parts are installed in the right manner, we use computer-based smart tools. Each and every machine built at Davenport Works receives thorough inspections and testing before it ships. Inspections are built into the assembly process, with functional and mechanical testing executed at both midline and end of line.
I'm on the floor every day, and I'm checking the quality of the parts coming into the plant. I'm checking the quality as the workers are doing the work on the units. I'm checking the quality of the unit as it's completed.
At the end of each line, blacklight testing for potential oil leaks is completed, and each machine is taken for a verification drive. We want to address all quality issues inside the factory before each machine is loaded onto a truck and delivered to a customer. Complementing the product assembly lines here in Davenport is our Dealer Technical Assistance Center, a resource that dealers can consult on repair issues from the field.
Our DTAC group, our Dealer Technical Assistance Center, sits right here in the factory, so if there's something major, a big problem that hits the field, we do get to hear about it right away.
During your tour through our high-tech facility, be sure to note the many skilled men and women who put their all into sustaining legendary John Deere quality. And feel free to ask questions. They love to tell visitors about what they do.
I'm very proud of what we do, and I know our customers, will see that, when they look around this factory, this great home they've given us, and see all the great people putting their machines together.